in Natural Resource Conservation class
at the University of Massachusetts Amherst.
We're Group 15, the Green Gals.
Today we are headed to the Connecticut River State Park to pick up litter.
The Connecticut River Walkway is the largest river in New England and passes through 4 states: Massachusetts, Vermont, Connecticut, and New Hampshire. The litter that people throw out while driving ends up in the ditch, which had lots of thorns, making trash collection really difficult for us. It is important to be mindful of where and how you are throwing away your trash to prevent the improper disposal of waste.
Plastic is one of the most destructive types of trash, as many forms take centuries to decompose. It's especially concentrated in bodies of water, which is seriously dangerous for aquatic species and wildlife. A lot of them mistake toxic plastic for food.
Styrofoam is commonly used in disposable products that are only used once. Styrofoam is pervasive in the marine environment and, like most plastics, is lightweight and floats. When littered, it is carried from the streets and through storm drains out to the ocean. These products can persist in the environment for more than 1 million years.
The majority of the things we picked up were plastic cups, plastic bottles, plastic bags, etc., single-use plastics. However, we're not going to be able to recycle any of them because they're all extremely dirty. So just remember to wash your recyclables, or else the entire bin will not be able to be recycled.
Each year, an estimated 1 million birds and 100,000 mammals die due to improper disposal of plastic and litter.
Oh, do you think there's any poison ivy here? We should probably
So weird. You can't forget the heel. What is that?
The average American produces 5.91 pounds of waste daily. Of this, 4.4 pounds are trash, and 1.51 pounds are compostable and recyclable materials.
The Connecticut River Conservancy is the voice for the Connecticut River watershed. They collaborate with partners across 4 states to protect and advocate for rivers, as well as educate and engage communities. They bring people together to prevent pollution, improve habitat, and promote enjoyment of the river and its tributary streams.
The state park is always being used for a multitude of activities. It encompasses 8 different towns and is inhabited by many different species. Our team felt saddened by the amount of litter we witnessed in this beautiful environment. We hope that this video and our project inspires others to give back to their community and be more mindful of the waste that they produce.
Oh my god, that was so scary!